strong.
Hey guys, listen here, back for another video. Now, sorry for the late video, but finally have a video for you guys. I pre-ordered this box about a couple weeks ago, and since it's now finally out, I'm going to be opening up the Digimon TCG Classic Collection. Now, I really do like how this box looks. It's back to the old classic retro art of how the first original cards that came out. Makes me sad there's no Terriermon, but we do have some really cool insect cards with some good old yellow. Like, yeah. It's only like 2 colors. Like, I only play 2 colors. I know if you guys have only seen me use 1, which is green, my Gargamon deck. But I do actually have a second deck, which is Kentasaurusmon. But let's have a look at these packs. Oh, I forgot about this. I haven't opened up a box in a while. We have ourselves Wargreymon as our box topper, which actually looks really nice. I'm gonna put this to one side over here, and I'm pretty sure all packs have the same. Yeah, they have the same art. It's not like Magic or. Yeah, it's not like Magic that has different arts and same Pokemon. So, as again, I have my trusty scissors to just open up. I've got a little box underneath me so I can just put all the stuff there. So we got Tentomon, Metal Trianomon, Wizardmon, Palmon, Zudamon, Hagurumon, XVmon. We have Dino Beamon, which is actually kind of funny. So Gabumon. Ooh. We got Boltmon. And for our first rare, we have win rate 60%. Kind of cool, really. What do you actually do? If you have a tamer in play, you may use this option card without meeting its color requirements. Main. The next time one of your Digimon rolls this turn, you may trash 1 Digimon card from your hand to hand of the same color as the Digi-Evolution Digimon to reduce the memory cost up by 4. Okay, so similar to Hidden Potential discovered. Oh, and we have a rare Vmon. Put all the hollows here. 2 rares. Guess we're starting pretty well. Unless they both have rares, and I'm like, oh, not so special. We have Angemon, the nice retro art, Devimon, Garudamon, I can't really pronounce this one. Gomon, Stingmon, Megadramon. I don't know, this one really creeped me out a little bit growing up. I just didn't like it. And another rare is Leomon, and other rare. Fire, delete one of your opponent's Digimon with 6000 DP or less, and blocker. Oh. Oh, I can hear a cat coming upstairs. Good, I can hear his little bell. Goemon, Cowmon, Got first Cactus, Milkmon, Devimon, Mega Dramon, Phoenixmon, Rosemon, nice, new Rosemon. You better than one using your turn when you spend Digimon, your turn when attack is spend one too. Okay, that's good. Battlemon, Ultimate Connection. You may trash one level 5 Digimon card Cyborg and its traits in your hand to gain 2 memory and draw 1. Cool. Got Mega Angelmon. Nice little super rare. Have we already got super? Or was that the first super? Okay, that was our first super. It's hard to tell now because now rares and supers have the same like foiling, which kind of confused me a little. If I can actually get into these packs, that'll be better. Andromon, Wergomon, Calmon, Palmon, Gardamon, Devimon. I wonder if this is one of the Todd ones. Come on, camera, please focus. Greymon, another Phoenixmon, another Vmon, and we have a second super rare, Metal Gomon. There isn't really much from this set I really want. It's just that the card arts look amazing. Oh, Dino, Sting, Bolt, Lady Devimon. Emergency program shutdown. I just nudged my little tray. Opponents can't use option cards until the end of their next turn. Oh, that's kind of cheeky. Royal security. Your opponent can't use option cards this turn, then add this card to its hand. Oh, that's actually kind of good. That's actually really good. And we have another rare. I always call this guy Cho'Gath from League because he kind of looks like him. Just get rid of the wings. So your turn to spend one of your opponent's Digimon with 3000 DP or less. Your turn when this Digimon deletes one of your opponent's Digimon bow and survives, one of your opponent's suspended Digimon doesn't unsuspend during the suspend phase. Okay, that's kind of cool. Like, yeah, like a lot of this, most of the green card, well, most of the insect green cards will say in Insectoid do stuff. Some, I think, says search for an Insectoid card or Agent Insect card. When I say Agent Insect, it just sounds like I'm playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Sounds like my dog's got something he shouldn't. Well, old Agumon. We got Powdramon as our rare, and as we have another rare. Fight for your pride. Play one purple level 4 or lower Digimon from your trash if paying its memory cost. Then, if you have a Digimon with Mysterymon, its name and play, one of your Digimon gains blocker. Security effect, play one purple level 4 low Digimon from your trash without paying its memory cost. Okay, it's nice little support cards. Someone note there isn't actually a green. There's no green option cards that I know of in here. Which I think is a bit odd. I'm seeing a lack of supers. Got another rare. What do you do? Energy evolving recovery deck +1. Upon turn when this Pokemon is suspended, all your security gets plus 5,000. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. I like that. Oh, I like. Oh, this is actually. Oh, one. I'm gonna sleeve you up. Do I actually do have some sleeves? I've got some sleeves right here. Oh, some blue sleeves for a blue box. Oh, look at this. Pretty sure this is one of the old arts. Yeah, it's got all the older Digimon cards. I have like everything up here, but this, that looks amazing. Probably do it mate rates if my friend Tyler wants it. But I'm not seeing him though. He's gone for the rest of the holiday. He is no longer in Lowestoft. Sad day. I don't know if he even watched this video. Actually, I am going to I've got them here, so I might as well use them. Got some top loaders, so let's top loader this bad boy up. Just pop them down there. Okay, back to the packs. Yeah, above me I've got like tons of top loaders. Another win rate and ultimate connection. Like what, we were halfway into the left side and we already pulled a really banging looking card. If you are watching this, Tyler, the old mate rates. Oh, Lilymon. I actually want to use this Lilymon in my deck. When one of your opponent's Digimon becomes suspended, this Digimon gains security attack +1. It's pretty good because the Rosemon I'm using right now is the first one. Which, hang on, my dog's barking like hell. Okay, I'm back. What was I saying? Lilymon. Oh yeah, I use the old one because it can suspend a guy, it just can't suspend a blocker. I'm thinking about replacing it with this because then I could just Digivolve, and when it becomes big old Gargomon or any of my other level 6s, then at least have more than +1 security. Oh, we have another super rare. We have Wargreymon with Blitz. I picked up 2 packs instead of 1. Yeah, I'm hoping to upgrade my yellow deck and my green deck from some of the cards in here. I do want to do a profile of my yellow deck once it's finished fully. I just don't know what cards to really use. Because I'm putting a lot of my time into my green, to be honest. Gargomon. Oh, another one, yes. Because that's the one I mostly play. Even though that Kudamon is my favorite Digimon of all time, it just seemed to taking me a while to actually build a yellow deck, and then I just got too focused on my green. I'm still technically too focused on my green. But I'll have a pretty good look from all my yellow in this set. Okay, we have ourselves our first tamer. On play, reveal the top three cards of your deck, add one Digimon among them to your hand, trash the remaining cards. All turns, when one of your level 5 or higher Digimon with Digi-Evolution cards is deleted, you may suspend this tamer, and if you do, gain one memory, then hatch one Digi-Egg from your empty space in your breeding area. A nice little rare tamer. And what do we have underneath? Bug. Aren't you the one that say search for Digimon can digivolve into a Digimon with Insectoid or Ancient Insect in its traits from your hand for its Digi-Evolution cost. Okay, done with the left side. Let's see if we're done with the left. Let's start with the right and see if the right gives us even more dank card. Can it beat the Diabormon? Win rate and Tyrannomon. Okay. Cool. So far, we haven't pulled a secret. We pulled rares and supers. Hopefully, we can pull a secret. Actually, what rarity are you? Yeah, you're actually just super. You're super rare. That's nuts. You're only a super. Palmon and Imperial Dramon Dragon Mode. Ooh. As our no super rare. That card actually looks kind of sick. Probably talk to Sam, because Sam has a blue deck. Don't know if he's finished it, but hopefully if he's down like the last weekend we're open, this weekend. Yeah, 18th and 19th. Hopefully I can go around and ask him if he's still brewing his blue deck. Because I know he has a black blocker deck. Ooh, and a new Skull Greymon with security attack. And on deletion, end of attack, delete this Digimon. On deletion, play one Agumon from your trash suspended without playing his memory cost. So that's kind of cool. Another Leomon. I don't know if there's any stupid like price cards in this set. The set only came out a couple days ago, so I can hope. Oh, no Dramon and another bug. Plus, I just really like opening packs. Who doesn't like to open up a fresh pack? Look at all the new dank cards. Another by fire, and we have a Palmon. Oh, let's leave that, and let's also put it into a top loader. Okay, our collection is growing. Our collection is growing. Oh, wow. On deletion, suspend one of your opponent's Digimon with 5,000 DP or less. Yeah, Palmon. This Palmon is nothing special, but I pulled another like alternative art. I'm pretty sure these are classed as alternative arts. Swear, I must have a playset of you by now. Ooh, Angel Woman, which are you again. When attacking with 3 or fewer security attack, one of your Digimon and all of your opponent's security get neg 3000 to the end turn. Once per turn, your turn once per turn, when a card is added to your security stack, one of your opponent's Digimon can get neg 2000. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So it also means now I have a load of like organizing to do. Now I have all these new cards. Pretty sure the last thing I opened was, what was the last thing I opened? Was it the booster box of Crimson Vow or the, no, I think it was the bundle box I opened. Oh, Infirmon, rare, and Fight for Your Pride, rare. Oh, I've just kind of knocked them out. Yeah, you're all common. Come on, Ryan. Come on, box. Please give me a secret. A secret will probably finish this off. Like, I'm already happy that I got pulled some really cool looking cards. Metal Greymon and Ice Wall. What does Metal Greymon? When attacking one of your Digimon, when attacking, when this Digimon attacks a player, delete one of your opponent's Digimon with 4000 DP or less. Inheritable effect. Your turn. When this Digimon has Machine or Dragonkin in its traits, it gains Piercing. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of cool. Ice Wall. Main, all of your opponent's Digimon gain when attacking, lose 2 memory. That's kind of funny. This is only a 1 cost too. And security effect, you gain 2 memory, so that's kind of cool. They could be on 1 memory, and then they swing. You do this, bam! It's now your turn. You're on 1 memory, unless you got a team that puts your memory to 3. Which is, I always like tamers that put your guys to 3, well, put your memory to 3, because they're just generally good. Ogremon, and we have another tamer. That's our 2nd copy of him now. So I wonder now if I've actually got room left in my binder. Yeah, I've got a little binder full of like supers, rares. Now, what can this last? What was it? Yeah, there's only, yeah, not counting this one, there are 2 packs left. Got Emergency Program Shutdown, and we have Hercules. I forgot about Hercules. I forgot he was actually printed in here. When one of your Digimon with Insect or Ancient Insect in its traits deletes an opponent's Digimon battle and survives, you may suspend this Digimon. Unsuspend this Digimon. Your turn. For each Digimon card with Insectoid in its traits, in this Digimon's Digi Evolution cards, it gets plus 1000. So yeah, just ramp him up with other insect-based guys, and yeah, you're kind of going strong. That's a cool super rare to pull. And there you go. I'll just move the box over here. 2 more packs. This video will probably be uploaded tomorrow. No, probably today, because it is Tuesday today. No, it'll be uploaded tomorrow, Wednesday. Just remembered I got a thing to do today. Oh, now I've got 2 of these, so I could run 2 in my yellow if I wanted to. Well, good. It's a very good card for there. And then another Trinamon. Okay, last pack. Wait, where is my first? I know it may not be the same game, but trust in my foot. This is my custom work. This is my custom third shiny that I did. I'll pop you over here for inspiration. You can't even see him, but he's here. He will actually be with me Wednesday when I stream at the Fort Lowestoft's Twitch. So make sure to pop down while I'm playing the new update in Pokemon Unite, which I think is really, really sick. Can my camera please focus? Thank you. Ah, damn it. Hey, when it gets to this, when the camera decides it's not going to focus. Pretty sure I now have a playset of this. Okay, Skullmon. What is our last card? We got an Ultimate Connection. Okay, so at the end of that, I think we pulled pretty well. We have Diabormon, and we got Palmon, and we also have our like BT2 promo card, which I don't really know what to do with this. I'll probably put it on my eBay. Yeah, but yeah, pulling these two is actually really cool. I'm actually really happy with these. Like, may not pull a secret. Oh, there goes the box. But yeah, I think pulling these two is probably worth. So I do want to open more Digimon in the future. I also want to open up some more Pokemon at some point and some Magic. But yeah, keep an eye out for those videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.